Hey guys, it's Brian over at New Tech Cleaning Systems, and I'm here to show you the new 2021 El Diablo Truckmount. Now, for all you El Diablo fans out there, and there are a lot of them, this new El Diablo, the amount of improvements that Mike from El Diablo has done to this truck mount are just fantastic. Let's go through just a few. First off, the frame. We all recognize the frame of the machine. Instead of a baked on paint like the old El Diablos had, this actually has true powder coating. More importantly, the frame of the machine is actually treated with a special type of electronic treatment so that when they go to apply the powder coat, it stays on the machine a lot better. So you don't have peeling and chipping paint nearly as easy as, say, the old versions. The old ones were very durable. They were very good. These are far improved. It's a very, very nice coating on the machine. You guys have watched my videos. You know I'm a real stickler for fit and finish. This is part of that fit and finish, the quality of the finish itself. So very, very nice. Mike did a really nice job. Also, for you El Diablo guys, you'll notice that there's forklift feet in this. The old machines didn't have that. They were very difficult to wrestle with. Now, that might not seem like a big deal on the surface, but one, it elevated the machine up a little bit. Number two, and this is a big thing, when you guys go to do serious repairs down the road, if there are any, they're rare on this machine, but when they happen, this makes the machine very easy to shift in and out of a truck, or if you're moving it, like some of the guys that have had us move this from the old van to the new van, this makes life so much easier. And when you're talking parts plus labor, when you're saving labor hours, you guys are saving money. So this is a really good feature that Mike's added, and we like it a lot. It made it really nice installing this new unit. So those are a couple of the things that we noticed right out of the gate, right on the surface. But the real thing that's awesome that we really like about this new version of this machine, I'm going to switch sides here, is this water tank. Now in the video, this is going to look similar to the old water tank that you guys used to have. This water tank's been completely redesigned. The old one was only 70 gallons. And that was probably the only negative complaint on this machine that guys talked about, was they wished it had a little bit bigger dirty water tank. Mike redesigned this water tank. One, it's a stronger stainless steel. So it's reinforced much stronger than the old ones. It's really fantastic. And it's 100 gallons. It's not 70 gallons. Yet it still fits in the space configuration where if you want to put it out the truck, it still has the cutaway. So you can put it over a wheel well if you want to put it out the back of the truck, or you can put it out the side of the truck like it is here. This is the way this customer wanted it. And it makes it real easy to fill his fuel-fired diesel tank for his burner, okay? Another thing that we like about this, if you notice the hose where you hook up your vacuum hose, instead of the plastic elbows that go straight, turn sharp down, you get that kind of slam of air and turn of air. They put in these nice, smooth curves. It improves the vacuum of this thing tremendously. This tank still has the great Kunkel valve that made this truck mount famous with its suction. You know, it's got fantastic vacuum, right? But now it's even better because they've improved it with what we call free-flowing elbows. Instead of these sharp 90-degree turns, they're nice, smooth airflow turns into this new upgraded stainless steel dirty water tank. So this dirty water tank is a massive improvement over the old one. It's really nice. It's really sturdy. And when we were checking it out, this newest one, we were like, man, this thing's really nice. So great improvement there as well. Let's talk about a couple other little things. They're not big things, but they're big things to us as guys who service and repair, and to you guys too, because you're paying for that service. The generator that's on the side of the truck mount, it's kind of hard to see from the video standpoint, but for those of you that had El Diablo truck mounts in the past, that generator had its 110 plugs facing the back of the truck, and that was fine. It worked fine. However, if guys accidentally bumped it or banged it, it might unplug the plug, and then you'd say, oh, I don't have heat. You go plug it back in, you have heat, right? On the new one, the plugs are actually on the back of the generator, so there's literally nothing to bump. There's nothing to take out by mistake. There's nothing to mess up. But that's only the beginning with this new upgraded generator. The old generators were brushed generators, meaning they had brushes in them that cause the electronic current, so on and so forth. These new ones are brushless. They're the new brushless generators that are far more reliable. They're a lot nicer. And until you see and touch this thing, you notice right away it's a nicer generator. So I give big thumbs up to that new improved generator on the back. And then another thing I like about this machine that a lot of the other machines don't have is the extra 110 plug that's on there. If you're in restoration and you're finishing up a job and you say, man, I wish I had something to charge my Makita. You know, not all job sites have power. Some do. We wish they all did, but sometimes they don't, especially you guys who do cat loss. You know, you're out in somewhere where the power's been removed. You can idle this thing and plug in your Makita batteries or your DeWalt battery chargers, and you could charge your drill batteries or your saw batteries or whatever you got right off the back of this truck mount. Easy. It's got an extra 110 plug. That's always been kind of a neat hidden feature inside the El Diablo truck mount. Now it's just an improved version of it. It's really, really nice. So if you guys like heat, you know, the El Diablo was always known, if you've seen some of the old videos on El Diablo, it would go from an ice cold start up to 240 or 50 degrees in less than 30 seconds. Still the same. Same great heat performance, super reliable. You know, these machines are real simple. There's not really a lot to them mechanically. There's no like big electronic sensors. There's no relays and crazy stuff that some of you guys talk about in the forums. This thing is simple. Simple to fix, simple to take care of. Super reliable, and the heat is insane. For you guys that do tile and grout cleaning that are used to the big temperature fluctuations on machines, that doesn't happen here. You set that thing for 220 or 250 or whatever you set it for, that's what you're going to get, whether you're running a turbo tool or not, or running a wand or whatever. You guys that run the high flow wands, this thing keeps up with the heat lickety split. So this is a really, really good feature of this particular truck mount. So with that being said, I don't want to go on and on about it. It is a great machine, Kohler command powered. You guys that love the Kohler motors, it's got the same great Kohler reliability. I'm going to end this by saying, if you have any questions at all on truck mounts, any brand, you know we sell all the top brands, give me a call. My number direct is 248-548-5211, or you can visit us online at www.shopnutech, it's shopnutech.com. Thanks for watching.